Okay, grade 4, let's talk about the exercise. First of all, you are having choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. When we are taking out the minerals from mines, it is impure. So impure is called bronze, copper, ore या iron. It's ore. Minerals are found in a dash. Where we find it? In police station, copper, iron, or in mines. So right answer is mine. Aeroplane is made from which metal? We made aeroplane from bronze metal, aluminium, stones, or iron. You can find it here on this side. It's mentioned here that aeroplanes are made from this metal. Next is question answers. What are minerals? So you can go for the starting of chapter. Here in bold letters, they have given the meaning of minerals. Minerals are natural substances found deep inside the earth. They are taken out by the process of mining. So this is the answer of first question. Second question, define two kinds of minerals. Here they are saying define. Define means you have to tell what is the meaning of these kind of two metals or minerals, So here it is given the definitions. Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So in this answer you have to mention the definition also, that it is having one or two metals, it do not have metal. So you have to define it properly. Don't write only the names, bete. What is an ore? So go for the very first page again, and it is defined here. An ore is a naturally occurring substance from which minerals are extracted. So it is a impure quantity, or we can say impure substance जहाँ से वो minerals बनते हैं. Next is how is copper used? So for this you can go for this table, and it is mentioned in the characteristics column. Used for making electrical wires, machinery, pipes, tubes and utensils. Right? Now go for the next question. In what ways is coal used? How we are using coal? So it is mentioned over here, used for generating the power and as a domestic fuel also. Next question. Why do we need to conserve minerals? Why we have to conserve? Why we have to store them? Why we have to save them? They are saying minerals are very valuable resources for our country. They are useful to us in many ways. It takes millions of years to form. So therefore we have to use them wisely and we have to conserve it. Because it will take too much time to rebuild. So we have to use them very wisely. एंड इसमें आंसर जो है वो प्रॉपर वे में आप मेंशन करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर राइटिंग ओनली वन लाइन. यू विल मेंशन द होल पैराग्राफ. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रू फॉल्स. झारखंड इज द रिचेस्ट स्टेट. दैट वी रीड इन डिड यू नो दैट इट इज द रिचेस्ट स्टेट विद राजस्थान. सो इट इज ट्रू. कोल इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रिक वायर. Electrical wires that are not made with coal. So false. India is the largest producer of mica and petroleum is found deep inside the sea. True. Next is matching column A to be matched with column B, and you will write down these numbers behind these alphabet sentences. You will not match it with lines. What is iron? Right? It is called black diamond. What is copper used for? For making electric wires. Gold is used for jewelry. And Coal is known as black diamond and iron is used for making steel. Right? So this is the last question you have to make. And think and answer you are not going to do tomorrow. And this E and F part will be done on very next week. Right?